Welcome to CSIR NET and GATE eLearner. Here is how we help students qualify CSIR NET and GATE with top rank. We will take just 3 minutes to explain. Our e-learning portal contains notes, PowerPoints, animations, ebooks, video lectures. And when this is clubbed with 24/7 chat support for doubt solving, we are able to convert students to toppers. It has all the tools for your exam preparation. Scientifically designed, scientifically delivered. Many people in the industry call themselves an expert for CSIR NET and GATE, but they really are just a bunch of quacks with some basic experience and knowledge of concepts. They will pretty quickly complete the syllabus for you with lots of information overload. But the question is that the way to turn the student into a CSIR NET topper? Is that what you need? And the answer is simple, no. What you have to do is look for someone serious about your exam preparation. That's where we come in. Here is how we help aspirants. We call it 7-phase Rapid Advanced Level Intelligently Delivered course. Phase 1, Analysis. The first step is always about information gathering, identifying things like your career goals and target rank. Phase 2, Planning. No plan equals to plan to fail. Thus, we design a solid plan for you. Phase 3, Executing the plan. Not only do we focus on executing the plan at this stage, but also on how fast you are able to understand the concepts. Phase 4, Self-e-learning. A very important part of the process is choosing the right notes and lecture videos for you. Phase 5, Concept development. In this phase, we teach special concepts using different 3D models to ensure you have clarity and can solve tricky conceptual questions. Phase 6, Testing and practice. We test our students at every level. Weekly test, monthly test, cumulative concept tests. Phase 7, Revision. We constantly monitor your revision strategy, monitor improvement, and warn you against any revision mistakes which you might make. As you have just been preparing for these exams is a very complex process, but we believe this is how preparation should be done, and our students agree. If you share our passion for high-quality exam preparation strategy, then let's get in touch. We'll be happy to help you with what we do best.